Um, Hi there. My name is Gerard Wavomba, and my student number 14U1271. My student number is 21400 1516, and this is my assignment. Now, I'm going to start by first of all creating a virtual machine. This is my VirtualBox software, which I have already installed. So to create a virtual machine, I'm going to come here and then click on new, and then I have a wizard here for creating a new virtual machine. I'll click next, and then I'm going to be giving my virtual machine a name, and I want to name it Gerald. My machine Gerald is going to be using an operating system Linux, and in particular it's going to be using Linux 64-bit. Click on next. The RAM of my machine, as you can see, is going to be 512 MBs. Next. The hard disk is going to be of that space 8 GB, and then there I am done. I need to create my machine, and there it is, Gerald. So I'm going to start my machine. But then this machine of mine here is not going to begin, simply because it's not having an operating system. So I have to use Power ISO and then mount an image onto a virtual disk, and then that disk is going to contain the image of the operating system, which is going to be used by this computer of mine. Basically this is what I'm trying to talk about. I'm going to come to Power ISO. I start Power ISO, and then come here, mount, and then now drive G is going to be my virtual drive. I want to mount an image on this drive G, and my image, which is the operating system, is Ubuntu 14.04 desktop client. So I'm going to open it, go back to mount. Drive G is now containing my operating system, and I come back here. Next, I want my computer to boot from drive G. There it is. Then I click on next, and then I start my computer. So basically what's going to happen here is my computer is going to begin running, but first of all I'll need to install the operating system, which in particular is Ubuntu 14.04. Maybe to talk about the question that were given in the in the assignment, the subspace is simply a space on a hard disk as I wait for my computer to get to the installation part. It is simply that space on a hard disk that is used as the virtual memory extension of a computer's real memory, and it enables a computer to pretend like as if it has more RAM than it actually has. And this virtual memory is simply a feature of the operating system that allows the computer to compensate for shortages of physical memory by temporarily transferring pages of data from RAM to disk storage in a process that we call paging. Now here I'm going to install my Ubuntu. So I click on install Ubuntu, then I click on continue. Install now my operating system. I select the time zone, which is of course here Uganda time. Then I click on continue. My keyboard is going to be English US. You can type some stuff here, then I'm going to username, and my computer's name is going to be red virtualbox, which is also my username. I can pick a password. I can use this time round blue, then I can confirm it, blue, then I continue. Now what is going to happen here is the real installation is now going to take place, but it's going to take quite long, and I just can't wait for that long. Yeah, there we are. So the installation begins, and because it takes quite long, I won't take you there, but I'll show you a part of my machine, my other machine that I already created. When you install Ubuntu 14.04 successfully, this is what you get. And there is my account. I can log into it, and basically, yeah, that is Ubuntu 14.04. So thank you very much for watching my video.